everyone, it's Miss Alyssa, and today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite picture books, which is Mouse Went Out to Get a Snack by Lynn Rossiter McFarland. And I thought it'd be fun for us to look at the book, but then to also make a really delicious snack. And I have this bento box, so we're gonna put all the food that Mouse steals into this box. So the book follows Mouse as he's trying to get food past a sleeping cat. So the food he has is like a banquet. There's gingerbread, cupcakes, prunes, all kinds of stuff. So I thought it'd be fun if we made a bento box and we started, I'm just gonna line the box first to keep it a little bit clean and keep the food separate. But he comes across some plums. We don't have plums, but we were able to find some really good prunes, which are like dried plums. So we're gonna put those first in our bento box. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3. And then he comes across carrots. Everyone loves carrots. So we're gonna put some carrots in our bento box too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then he has a sweet tooth as well. So he sees jelly beans and he goes right for the jelly beans. So we're gonna put some jelly beans in too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And he comes across some delicious fried chicken, and we have some chicken nuggets we're gonna put in, and I'm gonna put them in the cupcake liner to keep them separate. 1, 2, 3, 4, I like 5, 5's a good number. And last but not least, since he is a mouse, he goes for the cheese. So we have a little baby wheel of cheese. We're gonna open. It's a little more difficult than it looks. And then I'm an adult, so I get to use the knife, and we're gonna cut it into squares. I mean triangles. One more cut. And then put the cheese between the jelly beans and the chicken. And look how delicious that looks. So now when you read Mouse Went Out to Get a Snack, you can have your own snack. Enjoy!